If you're encountering the counting error bug in Forza Horizon 6, don't worry because this issue is usually related to server synchronization problems, corrupted game data, multiplayer service interruptions, account syncing issues, or temporary game bugs. Players may see the game stuck on a counting screen, endless countdowns, events that never start, or online activities failing to load properly. In this video, I'll show you several working fixes that can help resolve the Forza Horizon 6 counting error bug. Solution 1. Restart the game. The first thing you should do is completely close Forza Horizon 6 and relaunch it. Temporary synchronization issues can sometimes cause counting screens or event countdowns to become stuck. Solution 2. Check Forza Horizon server status. Online events rely heavily on Forza and Xbox servers. If there's a server outage or maintenance in progress, countdown timers may fail to complete properly. Check official Forza support channels for any ongoing issues. Solution 3. Restart your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can interrupt synchronization with online services. Restart your router and modem, reconnect to the internet, and launch the game again. Solution 4. Sign out and back into Xbox app. Account synchronization issues can sometimes trigger counting-related bugs. Sign out of the Xbox app, restart your PC, sign back in, and relaunch Forza Horizon 6. Solution 5. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can prevent events and online activities from loading correctly. Open Steam or Xbox app and use the Verify or Repair Files option to replace any damaged files. Solution 6. Disable VPN or proxy connections. VPNs can interfere with server communication and matchmaking systems. Disable any VPN or proxy software and check whether the counting issue is resolved. So those are some of the best fixes for the Forza Horizon 6 counting error bug. In most cases, the problem is caused by server synchronization issues, account syncing problems, network instability, or temporary bugs introduced by updates. Hopefully one of these methods helped get you back into the game. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and comment below which fix worked for you.